down here, and this is right next to the basement door. I'm growing a sugar baby watermelon and a honey rock cantaloupe. And well, this is my first year doing it. I moved and I had to move from a house, and we're in an apartment, so there's very little places that I could grow. But I asked my landlord about possibly putting some plants in the backyard, which I'm gonna probably do that next year. But this is my first attempt. And right back here, this is my little honey rock cantaloupe, and it's a small one, so it's pretty much doing well, and it's still developing. But I'm pretty sure by probably the end of September I'll be harvesting this. And then this is the sugar baby, which it ended up being pretty small, and it doesn't seem to have any growth. It's been this almost baseball size for a few weeks, so it's okay. And so next year I'm going to be growing outside in the backyard, and I think that I'll be able to do much better. I'll be starting the seeds indoors, and probably in my arrow garden, and move them outside. So we'll see what happens next year. I'm going to attempt to grow sugar baby inside in my little arrow garden, and move it into a hydroponic system.